Panasonic PT-RQ45K 4000 Lumen 4000 projector launching in Q3 2026. Panasonic Connect has announced the launch of the PT-RQ45K series, a 3-chip DLP projector with 40,000 lumens brightness and 4,000 resolution. It is scheduled to be released between July and September 2026. This is Panasonic's first projector in the 400 Lumen category. It is built for rental and staging professionals who need high brightness for large venues and outdoor projection mapping. The PT-RQ45K offers a resolution of 3840 to 400 and supports high frame rate signals, including 1080 to 400. It uses quad pixel drive and a laser engine that includes dual blue and single red laser dials. It delivers 10,000 lumens more brightness than the earlier RQ35K model, while keeping the same chassis. This allows it to work with existing rental frames, light cases, and lenses. The projector has 3 0.96-inch DLP chips, each with 1920x1200 pixels, and a 16:10 aspect ratio. It includes a 5-inch LCD screen on the projector body for live system updates and image previews. It also supports Intel SDM expansion modules. Panasonic says the PT-RQ45K remains compact and lightweight despite the brightness upgrade. Both standard and ANSI brightness are rated at 40,000 lumens, pending final confirmation. In other news, Panasonic has launched the RBF10 open ear earbuds, offering an affordable alternative in the niche segment. They support Bluetooth 5.4 multi-point connection, background noise removal, and voice assistant.